Hey there everyone, this is James from Blizzard Lighting, and these are the Lucid DMX video tutorials. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Cuelist sequence, which really is from left to right sequence Cuelist, or you have the option to actually go up into the configuration settings and switch it from sequence Cuelist to Cuelist sequence. So it's up to you, however you want to look at it. But let me just kind of go through what exactly a Cuelist sequence are. First of all, a Cuelist contains one or many cues. A cue can contain one or many scenes or sequences. And so what this is basically a Cuelist is your main holding area, or think of it as like a filing cabinet, if you will. In a filing cabinet you have a main drawer which you open up, and in that drawer contains a bunch of folders. And inside each folder is either one or many pieces of paper, document, or whatever. So what I want you to do is I want you to think of a Cuelist as one drawer, a cue as one folder, and then inside that folder, which would be the cue, would be containing either one or many documents or scenes or sequences. So I hope that analogy kind of helps you understand what this is. So on that note, you can see that I have one Cuelist, which has one cue and one sequence with one scene. So if I wanted to create a sequence that goes between two steps, say maybe the torrents switch between one gobo to the next, I would literally, select my torrents, pick a gobo, create another sequence, select a different gobo, and now if I hit play, these will loop back and forth like so. You can't really see it, but if you go to the output window, they are changing, all four of them. So that's like a sequence right there. That is a two-step sequence, or a gobo chase, whatever you want to call it. So that's how you create one sequence. If I wanted to create another cue, which goes back to one scene, it's completely empty. There's nothing else in there by default. You can even select both of them, both of your fixture groups, or all of your fixtures together. You'll get the latest selected fixtures is what kind of takes over what's showing in the preset window. So might as well wait. Program the torrents like this, move those around, whatever. Set your color. Then you're done. That's one look. Stuff like that. Select all of them, turn it off. So what I can do, or how I use this program, is I create a Cuelist per fixture type. So what I would do is I would create a Cuelist, say for torrents, and then another Cuelist for pucks, and I might do one, say, for all. And then I can even create one more Cuelist for effects. So, and the reason why I can create one for effects, then one for all, then one for torrent, then one for pucks, is because I can go in and stack all of these. So if I were to go to my live tab here, I have my torrents that I can play, then I have my pucks that I can play, then I have everything that I can play together at once. Then while all the stuff is playing, I can then even program sequences that just override a certain characteristic of the fixtures. Say just red color for the LED pucks, or maybe a strobe for the torrents. So you can overlay these on top of even each other and have all these playing alongside of all of these. You can just simply go in and turn all these off just by doing that. Or if you have a bunch of different stuff on, you can just simply clear it all like that. Everything goes back to 0. And so, one thing that I like to do just to kind of get organized is to, program Cuelist for those types of fixtures. That's really the best way to kind of stay organized. Again, you can mix it up however you want. You can program anything you want within any Cuelist and into any queue. It's just better to stay organized, otherwise once you go to stack things, something might override something else that you might not want, so you get some undesired looks or playback, and it's just, then you have to go back in and fix it, and so it's just be kind of a pain. So I think the best way to do it is to create a Cuelist per fixture type. And so that's kind of like your basic overview of creating a Cuelist queue in sequence. We will definitely go back over in a later video, like how to play all of it back together for a nice beautifully created show. So that'll be a little bit later on in the videos. This is just a kind of brief overview on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you need to know anything that we didn't cover in this video, or something I forgot, maybe if you have any questions at all, shoot us a comment below, or simply email us at support@blizzardlighting.com. So thanks again for watching. My name is James. I'll see you guys later.
You